Good afternoon. This is Brett Hayworth for Siouxland Public Media News. A new report estimates that proposed federal cuts to health and food assistance programs could result in significant impacts to Iowa's economy. Congressional Republicans have proposed instructing the federal committees that oversee Medicaid and the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, to cut more than $1 trillion from their budgets over the next 10 years. A new report from the Commonwealth Fund and George Washington University estimates that if Congress approves that plan, it could cost Iowa nearly 10,000 jobs and shrink its gross domestic product by $1 billion in the next year. Leighton Koo is a professor of health policy and management at George Washington University. He said the initial cuts could affect healthcare providers, grocery stores, and then ripple out to other things such as agriculture and food production. The House Budget Committee still needs to go through many steps, including getting Senate approval, before any such cuts could be enacted. In other news related to Medicaid, Iowa Senate Republicans passed a bill Tuesday to seek federal permission for Medicaid work requirements. Iowans who have health care through the state's Medicaid expansion would have to prove they're working 80 hours per month, with some exceptions. The bill also says the state would have to end Medicaid expansion if the federal government later decides work requirements aren't allowed. Democratic State Senator Janet Peterson criticized the provision that would end Iowa's Medicaid expansion if the federal government later decides work requirements aren't allowed. Peterson said that would cut health insurance for more than 180,000 Iowans and hurt the health care system. Additionally, a free one-day conference on Thursday, March 27th at the University of South Dakota will focus on confidence in elections, political polarization, and its impact on poll workers. Julia Helweg, director of the Cheeseman Center for Democracy at USD, said the conference brings together academics, students, politicians, and community members to learn more about democracy and civics. The keynote speaker will be Lisa Bryant, who is chairwoman of the Political Science Department at California State University. Bryant will discuss how political polarization is affecting the workload and safety of state and local election officials, and also the impact on trust and confidence among voters. The sessions run from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Thursday at USD's Al Newharth Center, and registration is required. For Siouxland Public Media News, I'm Brett Hayworth. Check out this news and more at our website, kwit.org.